So I'm going to show you how to use my hand drawing technique. What we have here is what I like to call the crooked house. I add my crooked house and then a triangle to my crooked house. This represents the hand. Every circle I add here is a knuckle and a joint. So now I'm going to add the thumb, I'm going to add all fingers. This distance here should be the same as here. I now add the joints to every finger, slightly higher and then slightly lower and then lower still. I'm now going to add cylinders, and these represent the bones of the hand. Before we had a wireframe, and now we have rectangles that represent the bone. And the last finger, so, like so. This is basically the bone structure that we have of our hand. And lastly, all we need to add is this green outline. You can use whatever color you like. And this represents the actual muscle and skin of the hand. And this is how I draw my hand or a hand using the crooked house drawing technique.